Yes, my people, big up on yourself once again. Yeah, man, right now, they're on a journey, you know, guys, but right now, I have to stop and give you some sightseeing as well. Yeah, man, I come from Magati, and you see this nice little area, guys, where I want to show you. I think it is a part of Camp Irie. But, guys, they say no trespassing and all of that. But, guys, look here. See it there? Yeah, man, see it there, guys, but see the dirt bike them and all of them something down there, so yeah, man, where you can, you know, some dirt bike down there, so but trust me, guys, over here it's really nice. Over there, guys, looking really nice. Why, guys, me I tell you, Jamaica nice. Jamaica nice. So them have some little gazebos over there where you can go, you can sit, you can have a picnic, you can have, you know, some family outings and all of those things, guys. Yeah, man. So you know how it thing go, you know? Yeah, man. Guys, you know, see Jamaica pretty, man. Actually, lots of beauty, guys. See, man, I drive a bike, I come up there. Morning, my general. What go on? So yes, guys, see the little Z Force there. Nice, man. Can't find the reverse. Can't find the reverse, guys. See the guys, yeah, man, me just talked to the man about some prices. So for the adult is 8,500 and for kids is 6,000 something. So guys, see it there, telling us that Jamaica nice, you know, man. Jamaica really, really nice, guys. Yeah, man, so I'm going to take a walk go down here, so to show you what I go on. Alright, guys, the security give me a little walk through, you know. Yeah, man, so I'm going to give you a tour of the place. Yeah, man, I couldn't see what go on. See it there, guys. Place nice, nice, guys. See it there. They have the changing rooms here. This is the lifeguard stand. So I'm crossing the bridge now. No diving. Look at nature, guys. Look at nature. Yeah, man. Over here is nice, guys. Very nice. picnic areas, gazebos. Yeah, man. Very nice, guys, very nice. Yeah, man, so I don't know. I'm going on a tour, you know, guys, because tour out the place, you know. Yes, man. Look how beautiful this is, guys. Why, guys, may I tell you now, yeah, man, the place nice. Guys, right now me don't want to come and take a tour over here. Yeah, man, I don't know no joke thing, guys, you know, see it for yourself. See it there? Look at it. Yeah, man, and this water I think goes straight back to YS Falls, guys, because we are near YS Falls now. Yeah, man, so this is very nice, guys. It's a campsite where, you know, you can come and camp out. And I'm thinking of coming to camp here for a night. Yes, my general, no, big up on yourself. Boy, people, can't talk how Jamaica nice. Yeah, man, watch that. And guys, so them have them seats where them improvise with old tires. They put concrete in it and put it down on the ground for a seat. Listen to the water, guys, it's so relaxing. Good, man. Yes, guys, so you see, man, them have them thing down here with them roast bread fruit and all of them something there. So guys, if you come here and want your roast bread fruit, yeah, man, just make the man them know so them can get the bread fruit for you know. And you can know say, yo, look here, get no bread fruit them, you know. Probably you could have get the bread fruit with all saltfish, ackee and all of them something there. Yeah, man, the place nice, guys. Very, very nice. Very, very nice, guys, and the water is so cool, you know. Guys, this is a place to come and relax and unwind. Yes, man. Jamaica nice. Guys, they have a lot of rocks over here which makes it very pretty. Yeah. Yeah, man, the place nice, man, may I tell you. Place decent, brother. Eh? Yeah. Yeah, man. Place nice, man. Me see it, man. Me see it. Me I come down here one of them days still, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Me I come down here, man, cause me. So yes, guys, me done the tour now, you know, guys. Cause boy, me I tell you, say, yo, trust me, man. Over here decent, guys. And me tell you, say over here decent, man. You don't have nothing to worry about when you come here. Security tight as well. Yes, man. So, guys, I want to do no, you know, man. I want to come and make a trip down here. Camp Irie. Yeah man, the water is so clean and pretty guys. Yes man. So them say them a fix up a place, you know guys. Them want the place a fix up, so you don't know say when you come it go look a little bit better than how it is now on camera. Yeah man. So the bridge here guys. And it's firm to guys, you can drive all a car upon it. Well constructed. So yes my people, so what I want to do, yeah man, I want to like, comment, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend about Camp Irie. Not about my eyes or yours, you know. Camp Irie, Vauxhall, St. Elizabeth. Big up on yourself.